Hello everyone, this is Scott. Welcome back. This is a UFO. Here it is before AI. Here it is after AI. Before, just a second, and after. Okay, this is a very strange black diamond UFO seen on February 2023 over Arizona. And I'm going to show you a better focused AI version in just a few seconds. So let's look at a few minutes of this footage. This diamond-shaped craft was seen over Arizona, and the person said, I was out mountain biking when I saw this object. I could see planes all around and hear them, but I could not ID this strange diamond object. Guys, look at that. Look at that footage. That looks like a lot of the diamond black UFOs that pilots have been reporting in South America, in Brazil, in Europe. This looks very similar to that. Okay, let's take a screenshot, 2 screenshots, and we're going to analyze these, look them up close, and we're going to put them through AI. Wow. Can you imagine that? If you see a UFO, just get at least 30 seconds of footage. We need video. Look at this. After AI, before AI. After AI, before AI. Let's zoom in a little bit. What is this critter? Look at that. Wow. Semi-transparent look like on part of it. Okay, let's see it up close and personal. Ooh, yeah. Okay, the light color gray on one side makes it look like it's transparent. I don't think it's transparent. I think it's changing its color. Like an octopus changes its color to its environment, so do UFOs. That's how they cloak some of the times. They have many methods of cloaking, and one of them is by changing color. Here is a second screenshot. Look at this. This one looks, oh, it's an airplane. No, have you ever seen an airplane like that? Not lately, not over my city. So this looks kind of like a diamond-shaped UFO with curvatures around it. It's been rotating a little bit so we can see different angles of it. Look at that. Look at that. Guys, if you like this video, hit that like and subscribe button. What do you think is going on over Arizona? Is this one of theirs? Is this one of ours? Because it sure as hell doesn't look like anything I could identify in the U.S. military. Scott C. Warren, UFO Sightings Daily. Like and subscribe.